Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video. This is part 10 and fin. It's the end of the tutorials on how to crochet the puzzle blouse. Yeah, I think it turned out fantastic. I done the edge, the bottom, and it's finished, and I crocheted the edge of the sleeves as well, and I think it turned out fantastic. I did try to crochet long sleeves, but unfortunately it didn't work. So after this, it's gonna come, I will put a clip me showing you that it did not work out. It didn't look good because as you can see, it's loose, and when I started to crochet around and around, what happened was it became like a pipe, and I did crochet up to here, and I started to frog it, and I realized I better share this with my lovely subscribers, my followers who's watching the tutorial can get an idea on you can crochet it. There's another way to make the sleeves longer, is to continue crocheting the puzzle part, which I haven't figured out yet, so that's another story, but I will just leave it as it is, and I really like the end result. So I hope you like it as well. I enjoyed crocheting this. It was in my mind for years and years. First time I saw it in 2018, it was on Pinterest, and it wasn't you know, you put it, you save it, and you will say I will come back to it. But finally 2025, I made it. I crocheted it. I did see a couple of people crocheting this as well, but there's no tutorials on how to crochet it, so finally I figured it out, and I just wanted to share this excitement with you. So I hope you like these parts, starting from part 1 to part 10, and watch it, and I hope you won't get bored. I tried to make it as short and neat as I can as I went through the process on how to crochet this. So there's a playlist, and I will link it just below, and you will I will link it on the comment section, and you just need to click it and watch it from part 1 and then continue crocheting it. I did use up 2 pounds of yarn, which is just under a kilogram of Pima cotton that I had in my in my stash, and I'm so excited. It's not finished yet, so I don't know, I might make a sleeveless, just a short something to wear it inside blouses that I have. So if I make it, I will do a tutorial for it and share it with you. You guys take care, and have fun crocheting this beautiful top, this beautiful puzzle blouse. Oh, so funny. Okay, so I have done the bottom. I just repeated what we repeated. So on the last, instead of doing the eyelet row, I did the 5 single crochet and the picot. So this is how the bottom is finished. Okay, I do have about this many yarn left, and plus the one that I'm working on, just have a little bit left as that one. So I had a total of 8. So what I thought to myself, let me do the sleeves, and I went around and around, started with the double crochet, and when I put it on, it didn't look good. It was was not matching the top to the sleeve. It didn't look good. So I was frogging, and I just wanted to show you. I didn't do any decreases. I just went along, you know, doing as I usually do. And this is the sleeve area. It does fit my arm. I did put it on. But when I put it on, it didn't look good, and I want the focus to be on the blouse, not the sleeves. So I am gonna frog this. I was frogging it. I did more. I did about 3/4 sleeve, but when I put it on, it didn't look good. It looked like a pipe. You know what I mean? When you're wearing something, and it didn't look good. And I didn't do any decreases. That's another thing. So I said no. So what I did on the sleeve is I went around and I just did single crochet, 5 single crochet, and picot, as I showed you on the neck area. And I think it turned out pretty good. So what I'm going to do is just going to frog this, and I will do the same on the other as I did on the other sleeve. I don't know what I'm going to do with this leftover yarn. It did use up lots of yarn, so I used up two packages of this, and inside I used 2. So 800 gram, 800, so 900. And then I used up 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. Oh, there were 6, not, so I used up 2, 2.5. So now 950 gram of yarn I used up. Yeah, so 2 pounds of yarn. You need 2 pounds of yarn to crochet yourself a plus size, though. Yeah, a plus size. Oh, okay. This is going to be tangling. Let me just untangle this. I don't want it to be tangled. I might make a bag with this beautiful soft yarn. I don't know. Maybe a sleeveless, knit sleeveless top. That's another thing I can think of, because I do have a plenty. Yeah, I might make a sleeveless top. So stay tuned. I'm just brainstorming. So I'm going to put this on and show it to you how it looks like. I want to first block it. I'm not going to wash it or anything, because, yeah, I don't want to wash it. It's pretty nice. And I'll just block it, steam block it, and I'll put it on. At the beginning of the video, I will, maybe at the end, for you to see. Yeah, so I hope you like. This is part 10. Just wanted to give you this info. Yeah, let me just lay this down while I'm talking. And it was a nice journey. I just love how this looks like. Gives me the V's. And I think it would be great on a plus size person to wear this. Yeah, so I even thought about knitting using the, yeah, same. One knit, one eyelet, like yarn over, knit 2 together. I can give the same look on this one as well. I thought about that, but knitting takes forever. That's another thing. So, yeah, I already have too many webs. I don't want to go through that. Maybe I will. I don't know. It depends on my mood, right? But I'm just going to frog this. And so I will show you how it's done, how it looks like on me, the end result, and we'll go from there. Yeah, it was a nice journey. I did lots of mistakes, and I fixed it, of course, when you're working on a design, a project. And yeah, so this is called the puzzle blouse, and it is a puzzle, definitely. Even I found a picture. Someone made the sleeve using the same technique, but I don't want to go through that. That's too much work to do. So instead of picking up stitches round and around, maybe that will look good on this blouse. Who knows? That's another journey for me to work on the sleeve, but other than that, I'm just gonna let this go, and I'll wear this, and maybe I'll post it on my Etsy shop, as I haven't bought any yarn because I haven't sold anything. That's another thing, right? You need to make a sale to buy something, right? Okay, you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Yeah, if you hit that notification button, you will be notified, definitely. And so I'll see you on my next tutorial. I'm going to be showing a new stitch and making a top with that, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so many surprises, techniques. You guys take care. Happy crafting, happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Isn't it satisfying when you're frogging something? It's so just continue from here.